In this video, I'll show you how to add a bank rule in Xero. First, sign in to your Xero account and go to Accounting, then select Bank Accounts. Open the bank account where you want to create a new bank rule. Next, click Bank Rules and select Create Bank Rule. Choose whether you want the rule to apply to money spent or money received. After that, define the conditions for the rule, such as the contact name, reference, description, or transaction amount. Then specify how Xero should automatically code matching transactions by selecting the appropriate account, tax rate, and tracking categories if needed. Now, review the rule settings and give the bank rule a descriptive name. Make sure the conditions and coding are correct before saving. Finally, click Save to create the bank rule. The next time matching transactions are imported into your bank account, Xero will automatically suggest the rule, helping you speed up your bank reconciliation process. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a bank rule in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.